Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that is controlled with you. So all you have to do, you just follow these ways that is controlled with you here. Just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on configuration here, so then you come to next CPU. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on swipe here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for your list like this here. Click here to change date, so then you click here on yes, then it's going to change with us here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.